What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Disclaimer, if you hear the vent, I'm in my bathroom. I have to keep the vent on because my husband is playing music and I don't want it to get in the mix of my video and then I get flagged. So if you're new and this is the first time you're seeing my channel, my name is Rashida and I'm here for you, point blank period. I just want to briefly talk to you about these braids that I did. I got this idea from Tiara J Beauty, her channel. I've been watching her channel for years now and I think she's a licensed beautician. But anyway, she did a box braid boho look DIY. Now she already knows how to braid. She's a professional. I am not. But I did want to try this style. It's hot. I'm hot. It's hot and my hair be hot, and if my hair is hot then it's only going to poof up and frizz and be a hot mess. So I decided to try this DIY box braid. She called them boho, but I think it's just the curly look that makes them boho. But I've had these braids before. You guys showed me so much love on my box braid, my micro braid video, that I just feel so loved. So thank you so much for tuning into that video. I have a very small channel and I was not expecting that many views, and I've never got that many views before. So thank you, and thank you to my new subscribers. But they look good, they feel good. I cannot believe that my two hands did these braids, but this is for you guys out there, you ladies out there who want to learn how to braid. I'm not a professional. I have been watching YouTube videos for as long as YouTube has been out. I practice on my kids and I just got better in time with practice. And I just want to show you these braids up close. I love these braids. I'm so happy that I did them because the weather calls for it. And so yeah, if you're interested in seeing me do this myself, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button on your way out, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
You make it hard to say goodbye. I die a little every time. I find it impossible to leave you with that look in your eyes. So you make it hard to say goodbye. Little tiny Aphrodite, I don't wanna wake you up. When you smile in your sleep, I wonder what you're dreaming of. You got that temporary cherry blossom potion on your lips. I wanna swallow up your ocean, but I only got a sip, and there's an Uber on the way because my flight is in an hour. I still gotta pack a bag and brush my teeth and take a shower. So I take a mental picture cause I know I'm gonna need it. The hardest part of loving you is leaving. I don't want to, but I have to. I already feel so lonely. I don't want to, but I have to. I gotta let you go. You make it hard to say goodbye. Yeah. I die a little every time. Find it impossible to leave you with that look in your eyes. Supermodel, Dalai Lama, you're the lover from above. You're that lightning in a bottle, I can't ever get enough. It's like my hand is on the throttle, but my heart is on the clutch. Wishing I could be two places at once. So if I leave my heart beside the bed, would you promise me you won't forget me? Don't forget me, don't forget. I don't want to, but I have to. I already feel so lonely. I don't want to, but I have to. I gotta let you go. You make it hard to say goodbye. Yeah. I die a little every time. Find it impossible to leave you with that look in your eyes. So you make it hard. You make it hard. You make it hard to say goodbye.
If you want this, I got to come get this. I gotta be heavy and everything you want me to be, baby. You know I'm loyal. This hand kiss my ass. But I know you're good for it. You never let me down. I know you're good for it. You always hold me down. Ooh, baby, been thinking about you lately. Ooh, baby, been thinking about you. If you want it, I got to come get this. I gotta be, yeah, and everything you want me to be, babe. You know I'm loyal. This hand is royal. It don't get no better than this. If you need to be feeling, believe it, I'm gonna be, yeah, and everything you want me to be, baby. You know I'm loyal. This hand is royal. It don't get no better than this. I remember being tender to the touch. Back in the day when I cared too much. Before I knew the difference between love and lust. I remember calling men up just for fun. But crying every night because I felt so lonely. I was getting my hopes up over this one homie who, looking back, I only cared for cause he showed me this one cool singer in the Wolf Gang. I became obsessed and worshipped how he sang. Bad as daddy leaving and the need for feeling like he could believe in God. That was me, I felt the same way. I wanted nothing more than to be able to pray without feeling like a fool by his own game. But I do, yeah I do. It's crazy what a few years can do to you. But now I'm grown and my perspective's really twisted. I'm in love with a man who I never knew existed. Speaking of him, hey baby, hey baby, hey baby. Ooh, baby, been thinking about you lately.